Welcome to Chillin' 40. Today we're going to take a look at some gifts that are somewhere on the cheaper side, somewhere on the expensive side. I know a lot of ladies are always looking for a gift for their husband, for their boyfriend, for their significant other. And guys, if you like it, just buy it for yourself, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's take a look at them.
Okay, let's go.
First off, we got the KNAFS Lander 2 fixed blade. This is a gorgeous knife. It has a drop point and the card of scales. It's got a good feel to it. It's also got a beautiful lanyard and this brass bead here. These people over at KNAFS, they're local. These are handmade. They have this nice sheath that comes with them, Kydex sheath. When I first got it, it had a belt loop on the back, but I put these belt clips on it. Makes it a little easier to get on and off. Clips in real nice and tight. It's not going to fall out on you. Just check these guys out. And if you want to get your man a quality knife, this is definitely it. I'm going to link their website below. They have many knives to choose from. They have folders, fixed blades. Everything is high quality. They also have a lot of stuff like 3D print files on there to print new handles. This is the Moondust Micarta. Check them out. Next up, we have the Zebra G450 Pen. This is a very high quality pen. It's got a great weight to it. A nice button feel on the back. The clip is very strong. It's not going to bend or fall off. These Zebra pens are known for quality. The gel refill inside of this is exactly that. You can buy the refills, you don't have to keep buying the pen. This pen is solid metal construction. It's going to last a lifetime. Only thing you got to worry about is somebody using it and stealing it. The next thing we're going to talk about is this Field Book leather cover. It's a very quality leather cover. It has places for your business cards or cash, whatever else you want to hold in it. The Field Book fits nicely in it. You can lay it flat, no problems. And it's got very nice leather on it. I mean, this thing is going to patina over time, and it's going to be a very, very nice looking leather product. Very nice. They all come in a nice little cover when you get them. This would be a great gift for your man. And don't forget, if you get him this, make sure you also get him a Field Book. They come in tons of different colors. I'll put the links on Amazon. He'll fill this thing up no time. He'll carry it every day. He'll appreciate it. He'll love it. It's leather. Every man loves a good leather product. And this pen that I was talking about, the Zebra pen, fits in there nicely. Because the Zebra pen is not super long, it actually fits your hand well, and it also fits his notebook very well. It's a good combination. You should pick up both. Actually, pick up all three. While we're talking about notebooks, this RETTACY dot notebook, I've featured this on my channel before. It's been a big seller. There's been lots of people that have purchased this since I featured it on there. It is a dot notebook. Actually, it is a graph paper notebook. It has graphs in it that are very nice. It has 2 bookmarks. Paper is nice and thick. This is quality product right here for a cheap price. These books, I know at Walmart, sell for $12 to $15. Less than 10 bucks on Amazon. Check them out. Buy yourself one. Buy your husband one. Buy your man one. Comes with a nice pen holder. This pen is a honorable mention. It is a Energel metal pen. Looks good with the notebook. Gold looks really good with it. It's an all metal construction. I'll put the link for it as well. Make sure you check these out. Next up, something I picked up off of Etsy. This is a Hank made by Lonestar Hank company. Very local business. This is a beautiful, beautiful product. It has the micro suede glasses and lens cleaner on one side, and a nice cotton print on the other. This is an American traditional print that I found on their website. I love it. Very, very quality product. If your man's into EDC or Hanks, or just having this to carry around with him to clean his phone or his glasses, check them out. I'll put a link to their product in the details. Please check these people out. Local business. When you get it, it's in a nice plastic bag. It's packaged just like this. They put their little business card to say on here. Like I said, it's Lonestar Hanks. Made in Lone Star, Texas. They have an Etsy, a Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Check it out. I mean, they really put the craftsmanship in their product. This is a nice product, folks. Go check these guys out. And this product, it really sucks. It's a little mini vacuum. They're featured on Amazon. This is just like the Fantic vacuum, but for a fraction of the price. Cheap product, but very, very quality product. Doesn't cost a lot of money, and it does its job. I've used this thing all over my office. I've used it to clean up coffee grounds. I've used it for all kinds of things. Check them out. It not only is it a vacuum, if you put the attachment on the other end of it, it becomes a blower, so you can blow off your keyboard, whatever you want to do with it. Very nice product. I'll put the link to it in the details below. 5-star quality product. Your man will love it. Last but not least, the XTRA Edge Pro action camera. You can't get a better action camera than this. On mine, I actually have the ND filter. This ND filter is a KNF concept filter. It's adjustable. Make sure you pick that up when you pick up the camera. But I promise you, same quality as DJI. I believe it's even the same brand, and they just updated it. When you first got them, they wouldn't take Bluetooth microphones. Now they work with Bluetooth. Check out this, the XTRA Edge Pro. Check out all the extra camera products and get your man a nice action camera. This one actually has a screen on the front and back. He'll be taking it to sporting events. He'll take it everywhere with him. Take it on vacations. You know, you want him to film the kids? Right here. Make the memories, put them on video. That way when you get older, you'll be able to look back on it and remember everything. It's 4K, action-packed camera. Dual screen. Awesome. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell your family and friends about this channel. We're really trying to grow this thing. Let's get at it.